Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will see that how we can create a winner panel. For the winner panel we can create a panel, and I already have created that panel, and I'll just inspector, just hide these two panels, and in the game view you can see that we have the winner panel, and this is a simple BG background image I have used, and also the winner label, and you can see that this is the label, okay, and this is the winner text, which is empty by default. So if you can type, this text will appear over here, okay. And then we have the instructions, which are actually press escape to exit the game. So this type of instructions, you can definitely add these instructions or not, it's your choice. This winner panel is added, and now in the scripts, first of all we will go to the kill count, and we will add some variables. So here we will add the public bool countdown equal to true, and because we will actually analyze the countdown, then we will add a game object winner panel, and then public text winner text. Then in the start function we will make the kill count, winner panel dot set active false. So initially it will be false, and then we will move further. So now here in the time over function we will create, that is a custom function. And one more thing, that in the update function where we are pressing the K key, we will also add the countdown equal to true. So if the countdown is true, then only this function will run, okay. And we can actually copy these lines, and we can just copy this and we can paste it over here, okay. Everything is same, just we have some changes, and here in the time over we will add kill count panel and winner panel dot set active true when the time is over, then kill count on true, kills dot clear, and that's it. Other things are almost the same. Here we will add the highest skills dot sort, so we'll sort the highest kills, and then from the winner text dot text we will get the highest kills 0 dot player name. So we are sorting the highest kill, and then we will add it to the player itself. So yeah, this is the code, you can see this. And now in the timer script we will add two more variables, public game object canvas, public bool time stop false. So we'll make this bool variable false in the initial stages. And then here you can see that beginning the count, and if you see the time count down, we are adding these, we already have added this countdowns, okay. So here we will add this custom function as well. So we'll say that if minutes is less than or equal to 0 and second equal to 0, then what will happen? And then in this function we are making time stop equal to true, and we are getting the canvas, and from the canvas we are getting the countdown equal to false, and canvas time over. And then we are also making this team mode equal to true, and then we are actually getting the team kill count time over, okay. So this thing we will later on I will explain, but for now we are making the time stop equal to true. that is important. Okay, and also in the player movement script, if we will go in the update function, where we are updating the things. Indeed, it is fine, I think. Player movement is fine, and in the display color script we will make some changes. Okay, so now in the display color script we will add this thing, invoke repeating, check time, and then 1 and this check time we will create a function over here. So function, so for this function we are getting the time stop from the timer script, and if it is true then we will run these lines of code. Definitely, if you are confused with the scripts, no worries, I will attach the project in the description. The link will be available, so you can download the project and you can actually utilize the scripts right away. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Okay, so that's it. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.